Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common crypto task: sending Litecoin from Metamask to Kraken in 2025. If you're navigating the evolving world of cryptocurrencies, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have Metamask installed on your browser and that your Litecoin is properly set up. In 2025, advancements like seamless blockchain bridges mean you might be dealing with wrapped Litecoin, so double-check your wallet balance and network settings to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Metamask extension and switch to the correct network where your Litecoin is held, likely the Litecoin network or abridged version. If you haven't added it yet, go to the network settings and add the appropriate RPC details for Litecoin. Step 2. Head over to your Kraken account. Log in. Navigate to the Deposit section and select Litecoin. Copy the deposit address provided. It's crucial to use this exact address to ensure your funds arrive safely. Step 3. Back in Metamask, click on Send and paste the Kraken address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and approve the transaction. You'll see a confirmation on the blockchain. Expect it to take a few minutes, depending on the network. A quick tip: always verify addresses to prevent scams, and keep an eye on gas fees if you're using any bridges. By 2025, tools like auto bridges might make this even easier, but security is key. And that's it. You've successfully sent your Litecoin to Kraken. This process keeps your assets moving smoothly in the crypto world. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.